friends who are in different halls, friends from the media, the principal from the school, all friends. I'm really delighted to visit this campus first time and interact with the students. You know, when we think of the Chettinad cements, we all know it's a great industry, and they have also contributed very significantly for the education. And they have got concern for the students, and they have got concern for the grooming of the human resource for the development of the nation. That's why I am very happy to come here. My topic today is going to be on innovation and leadership. We want many of you to innovate, create ideas, and take leadership in this country in different fields and establish yourself as great Indians. That's the aim of my talk today. Before I could deal with my subject, I would like to convey to the principal and the faculty members that there are various options available for undertaking projects in DRDO, DST and other scientific departments. We've got a big program, and definitely we will support your ideas, such as giving projects to students in the final year, so that they can know the latest technologies which are being developed, and then if they shine well, they will get job opportunities in the defense research. So that opportunity can be provided. But the more details we can discuss during the faculty meeting, how to apply for the projects, all those things I will explain later. Now let me start with this presentation. It's not true. Slide many things are not seen. Only 1/3 of the slide is seen. We may have to wait for some time. CCET. So now I think everything is all ready. So what audio is what? Okay, next. First slide. See, are you able to hear me? See this, I am going to tell you about, first start with how the Indians were great Indians. We belong to a great Indian gene. What is it? I want to tell you. This is Aryabhat. Aryabhat. So everyone can see this is the room. Aryabhat is the master astronomer and mathematician, and he was the first to proclaim that the earth is round and rotates on its axis. What you have studied, I am going to completely tell something to you which you have not studied. It is not the European who found that the earth is round and it rotates its axis, it came from our minds. Similarly, Bhaskaracharya is a genius in algebra. He was the first to discover gravity 500 years before Sir Isaac Newton saw the apple falling. Acharya Chettinad, the founder of atomic theory, he talks about the atom and molecules. He says every object is creation of, is a creation of, every object of creation is made of atoms which in turn connect each other to form the molecules. Sushruta is the man who has invented the surgeon, and he did plastic surgery, he did orthopedics and different types of fractures and dislocations, how it can be cured. And the whole theory what he has written is being followed even today by the orthopedic surgeons. Acharya Bharadwaj is the pioneer in the aviation technology. 800 years before Christ he has told how to fly. And flying on the earth between point to point and between the earth to other planets, he has got the design. And he says one universe to another universe how to go. That also he talks about it. And Acharya Kapil is the father of the cosmology. He talks about the whole transformation of energy, how the universe exists, why the universe exists, what is the relation between the different systems, stars, everything he talks about. So if you look at this only sample I am telling you, and you see the type of thinking these people had. Next. So such a great India, great scientific thoughts, astronomy, algebra, atomic theory, aviation, cosmology, medical, everything we were reading. And we are the first people to give what is a society, the civilization, our civilization was the top civilization in the world. And we were having universities which attracted people to come from other countries to learn. And we had a great dynasty, the Maurya dynasty and the Ashoka, a great dynasty we had. But this all passed. We had good agriculture, all rivers were flowing full, and people were very happy and prosperous. But what happened in the last 2000 years? Successive invasions. People thought there is a big treasure here, but as the gold. So all people rushed here to find out, to take our culture, to know our culture, to do trade with us, and also to steal things from here. So finally the country got eroded and the new dimensions happened during the Mughal regime and the British regime. And during that time the Industrial Revolution came, and we didn't participate in the Industrial Revolution, and population increased, agricultural rivers started, water was not there in the rivers. All those things led to sudden fall of the prosperity of the country. This happened only in the last 2000 years. And now we are picking up again through after independence.